I cannot believe summer went by so fast. I started my summer in May and now it's the end of August and it flew by. Going into a new semester always takes physical and mental preparation. I just have so much to do before the school year starts. I can't believe I'm gonna be going back to campus, taking exams and homework and having a ton of projects to do. I'm just not ready physically or mentally. So in this video, I'm gonna be getting prepared for a new semester. I have a lot to do, so let's get started. So the first thing I did as part of this video was go to get a fill on my acrylics. I needed to get my nails done so bad, but I was so sad to say goodbye to this set. They were growing out so much, so I decided to go with this pink color. I was really having a hard time trying to figure out what color to choose. I saw this one and I was like, oh, that's so nice. So it's showing up actually kind of different on camera, but it looks so nice. I'm actually so excited. I of course got the French tips, I always do. So I'm so happy with how these came out. It's always expensive, but every time I get them done, I'm like, I'm so glad I just went and spent 2 hours in there and paid like 50 bucks. The next thing I need to do literally right now is get gas because I'm on mega empty. I'm so bad. I always wait till the very last minute and it's scary because I'm like, am I gonna make it to the gas station? So there's a Chevron right here. I'm gonna go to. Gas prices are down right now. Down meaning it's $5.70 for gas. Usually it's like $6.50, so this is like the cheapest I've gotten all summer. So I'm gonna take advantage and get gas right now. In one of my last videos, I reorganized my entire desk and this whole area of my apartment. I put all my school supplies away in my drawers. I have this whole art shelf behind me, which is just filled with art supplies. And I wanted to get this entire area set up so that I can get my schoolwork done here. I haven't had like a nice desk set up pretty much ever, but right now I'm gonna redo it so that it's ready and set up for the school year. I also just got out of the shower, so my hair is wet, but I'm wearing these comfy clothes. I have on these comfy shorts from Aritzia and then this white top, which is also from Aritzia. And I don't know, someone's like vacuuming or something. I don't know what's going on, but it's loud. And it's been happening for like 40 minutes, so. Oh my god, it just stopped. That's crazy. Okay, perfect. So here's what my desk looks like right now. The first thing I need to do is clear everything off. So I have like random trash. I'm gonna keep this little bin filled with my everyday supplies on my desk right here. I filled this whole Alex 9 drawer with school supplies and organized it super nice, but I feel like it'll just be more convenient to have my everyday stuff right here on my desk. And then I have my headphones back there. I have this basket and then a candle in the corner. And then I have this stack of books. For my birthday, my dad got me all these really nice art books and I kind of want to keep them on here. Maybe I'll just keep like one on my desk for now. So on my bedside table underneath on the shelf, I have a journal and then I'm gonna keep my book right here. And then I'm gonna keep these art books down here as well. That looks good. So this is what my desk is looking like. I'm gonna put these 2 art books right here and then I have my planner and I've been using it for this summer so far. I'm gonna write down right here, this is my first day of school. So hopefully this keeps me organized throughout the year, at least through the first semester. And then the other thing I'm gonna keep on my desk is this weekly planner. So you can write in the day of the week and start whenever you want. I can write down my class times. So this is a good idea of an overview of what one of my weeks of school would look like. And it's nice because you can just rip these out. I'll just rip them out and throw them away after the end of the week. And then I think the last thing I'm gonna have here is my laptop. And that is my desk setup. trying to fix my sleep schedule a little bit before the school year starts, so I got up early today. I went to a coffee shop. I got an iced latte with oat milk and a raspberry Danish, and I worked on my video, and it was really nice. I just need to start getting up earlier again so that it's not like a shock when the semester starts and I have to get up early every day. What I'm most excited for probably for the new semester is the fall season. I love fall so much. Summer and fall are definitely my two favorite seasons. So when I end summer, you know, it's the most dreadful thing ever, but it's also the most exciting thing because next is fall and it's a totally different vibe. So I am looking forward to pumpkin spice lattes and making all the fall treats and dressing cute. Like, I just love everything about fall. And although I prefer hot weather over cold weather any day, I love cold weather fashion. I look on Pinterest usually at the start of a new season, so I get excited for that time of year. So I was looking at aesthetic fall pictures for fall 2022 and getting excited. I think I'm gonna spend a lot of my school days at coffee shops like I did this morning. It just really helps like romanticize school a little bit more because you're out getting coffee, doing your homework, you have a cute little setup, you know, it's so fun. You know, you're taking this really annoying thing like school and homework and all this stuff you don't want to do, and you're making it more fun so that it's enjoyable and you get through it and you actually like it. I just feel like if you try to make things more fun in your head, it always turns out better. We're getting a sandwich. Let's get some chips and a drink. I don't know, I really like the coffees, these lattes, but oh, they have a matcha one? Wow. But I don't think I'm gonna get one because they're expensive. And I already had coffee today. I'm obsessed with these Chobani black cherry yogurts. They're so good. I've had like so many of them. I need to get more for my apartment. Next, I want to thank the sponsor of today's video, which is Grammarly. This is another one of my back to school essentials. I always do so much writing during the semester of school, whether that be writing essays or discussion posts in Canvas or even emailing my professor. Sometimes I'm writing pages and pages at a time for a class, but whatever the case is, I always want to make sure that my spelling and punctuation and grammar is all correct and flows nicely in my writing. So with Grammarly, it helps with all those things. I always make sure to have it installed before the school year starts so that all my writing sounds professional and friendly, and it'll just pop up with a little notification telling you a number of things on your paper that you might want to fix. It's just really helpful because especially when you're writing for hours at a time and typing a super long essay, you don't always catch all the spelling mistakes or the punctuation. I use Google Chrome, so I just installed it right on there and on Word. Something else the premium feature has is the Clarity full sentence rewrite suggestion, where Grammarly will pop up and rewrite an entire sentence so that it sounds more professional and put together. So definitely try out Grammarly. It's super easy to install and it's free. So I'll link it down below in the description for you guys to check out. And thank you so much to Grammarly for sponsoring today's video. So next it's time for a car wash. My car is like so crusty. It's actually so gross. I don't think I've deep cleaned my car for like 6 months, so I just need to do this. So I'm gonna get the outside washed and then I'm gonna vacuum the inside, wipe down the surfaces, throw away all the trash, organize it, and then it'll be good. So I got my car wash and then I got 2 air fresheners. This is in the new car smell, which is my favorite scent. I got a couple dashboard wipes so I can wipe down this whole area. And then I also got a glass cleaner because the inside of my window is really dirty, and then dry it with the paper towels. So I'm excited. Let's do all this stuff. I'm gonna use this as a trash bag. I'm in my back seat. It's so gross. Alright, my car went through a really nice transformation. It looks so much better. The outside is shiny and clean, and the inside is also super clean. This was probably the dirtiest my car has ever been. It was so gross. Like, I was actually taking those wipes and scrubbing, but it looks amazing. I mean, what a huge difference, and it smells so good. I love the air fresheners. I wiped down the inside of my windshield too, and I had been needing to do that for months. It's just a huge difference. I can actually see. Definitely needed this car wash done. I'm so happy I did that. The other nice thing about getting my car cleaned is since I park now at my apartment in a parking garage, it's probably gonna stay clean so much longer. Like, dust isn't getting on it, it's not getting hit by my sprinkler, anything like that. Like when I was living at home, it's gonna be parked in my parking spot in the parking garage at my apartment complex, so hopefully it stays clean way longer. I just like got in my car right now and I'm like, so delish. My car is so clean, it makes me so happy. Look at this whole part of my car. I'm just not used to it looking spotless like that. And my cup holders are clean. I just got boba and I'm putting it in here and it's so nice. Today is a good day. I just filmed another video with Urban Outfitters. Went shopping, got a bunch of stuff, and then I'm gonna finish that video tonight. And to treat myself, I got some boba. I got brown sugar milk tea today. I know, guys. Are you shocked I didn't get Thai tea? Because that's like my actual fave. It's so yum though. There's a boba place literally right next to my school, like across the street from my campus. When I was commuting to campus, every day after school, I would go get boba before my hour drive home. And now that I'm not commuting, like, I'm gonna have to really restrict myself from getting it every day because it's so good. It's the best boba I've ever had. And it's literally right across the street from my school. So I'm so happy. Today was a good day. I'm headed back to my apartment. So I haven't figured out yet if I'm gonna carry a bag or a backpack to school. I think carrying a bag would be so cute, especially because I'm used to carrying a purse around, but I carry a backpack around every year, so right now I'm just going to show you guys what I'm going to keep in it for school. So this is the backpack I'm going to be using for this semester of school. I didn't get a new one this year. I just love this pink Kinkin one. I've used it for a while now. So I'm going to show you guys how I'm going to fill this up. First, I have a couple notebooks. One of these has lines in it, and then the other one is just blank pages. This is just for taking notes. Next is my pencil bag. I'm also going to be reusing this one from last year. Nothing too crazy, just the usual school supplies. I'm also going to keep a hair clip in here. I can't tell you how many times I just want to put my hair up in class. And then these are my AirPods. Next, I have my laptop. It kind of depends on what classes I'm taking each day. I need my laptop for most of the day, and between classes I like to answer emails or edit a video, so I'm going to keep this in here as well. And then the last thing I'll need to put in here is my art supplies, but I'm gonna see what my professors want us to bring every day for class. So this is what's gonna be kept in my backpack. Alright guys, it's getting late. I'm exhausted. I've been editing this video for like 3 hours. I want to take off my makeup, do my skincare, so I'm going to show you guys my routine. I had this amazing dinner tonight. It was asparagus with garlic and tomatoes and veggie sausage. I put lemon over it and salt and pepper. It was so good. The thing is, it doesn't matter like how much I eat, you know, how full I am, because within like 30 minutes, I'm going to want dessert. And that's a habit. I'm trying to get out of that habit, you know, because I want to make a healthy meal like that and be like good, but I just want like a cookie now. Taking off my makeup. I want to do like a night before school starts where I do skincare, clean my apartment, get everything ready. Because I know I'm going to be stressed out. I want to just make a video. And I think I'm going to dye my eyebrows. I was going to do that in this video, but I'm too tired. And I'm excited. I can't believe I'm starting school soon. Summer is over. I feel like I did a lot this summer, but also I didn't do anything. It's very unsatisfying. Time for some face wash. I'm gonna use these toning pads to get everything off my face. And I'm gonna use my facial roller with some moisturizer and just roll my face. And lastly, my acne cream. I feel like my skin is so much better in the summer. My skin isn't perfect right now, but it's pretty clear. Like, I have a couple spots and that's fine. It's normal for me. But during the winter, like Christmas time, oh my God, it is so bad. I get the worst breakouts during winter time. So every summer I really enjoy my skin. That's my skincare routine. It's pretty good. I did like a good amount of stuff. Okay, I'm ready for bed. I gotta clean my apartment. Next video, I'm cleaning. I have to do my laundry right now. I need to rinse off the dishes and then I'm gonna go to sleep. I'm so tired. I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Thank you so much for watching until the end. I am so incredibly grateful for all of you guys. Seriously, every morning I wake up and every night I go to sleep just thinking about how grateful and blessed I am to have this job, to have you guys as my supporters. I mean, you guys have to understand nothing in my life would be possible if it wasn't for you guys. Moving out into my own apartment, my day-to-day activities, working on videos, just everything that's in my life right now, I owe it to you guys. Thank you so much. I look awful, but I just love you guys so much. Like, I think about it every day. I feel like in the last month, my video editing has kind of been slacking off, and I don't like that. In this video, I feel like I tried really hard to make it good and entertaining and like a lot going on so that you guys would like it. Let me know if you did or if you notice anything different. Like, it's not really that I changed my editing style or anything like that. It's just that I spent a lot more time on it. I am a believer in quality over quantity, 100%. I also want to upload on a good routine. You know, I feel like one video a week isn't enough. So I try to upload, you know, 2 or 3 times a week during summer. And recently I just feel like the videos haven't been that good. So it's just like the video is so much better to me if I'm excited to upload it, if I'm proud of it, and I think it's a great video and I think you guys are gonna love it. And like when I press the upload button, I'm like excited for it to be uploaded. That's when I feel like it's the best videos. I love you guys so much. I hope you have an amazing rest of your day. We're gonna get through this school year together. I know it's gonna be rough, especially in the beginning, but it's gonna be fine. We're gonna do it. I will see you guys soon in my next video. Comment down below if you have any video suggestions. Bye. Mwah.